finger stick. There we go. Let's look behind the tree. There's the fall. Go past the swimming pool house and past the cabin trails. So you've been on this for a little ways.
We haven't been on this road before?
Yep.
Thought so.
This is what leads you to the radioactive cabin.
That's why it looks familiar.
Because you know me, I'm always trying to get you some little superpowers. You know me, I was trying to get you superpowers, so I take you to irradiation mines.
What superpower would I want?
I would like levitation. Period. Anything and everything. I would just like to be able to levitate and move it. They probably call that telekinesis.
Yeah.
But just think about it. I mean, somebody's messing with you, and you could just levitate their food off the edge of the table. You know?
Yeah, you can move things with your mind. Yeah, it's telekinesis.
Remotely trip somebody or something like that. You know?
Be like, what's her name? Her name? Crap, I can't remember. Storm something. Something Storm.
Oh, where you could do the weather?
No. Actually, being like Storm would be freaking awesome. But no, I'm talking the Fantastic Four. I can't remember her first name. Her last name is Storm. Johnny Storm's older sister.
Okay.
She's the invisible woman.
Uh-huh.
The ability to turn invisible.
Gotcha.
That way, you know, if you want to know something, you can, make yourself invisible and eavesdrop on people and mess with them, like with the telekinesis thing, only you're invisible. But you got to be careful when you do that too, because you can end up in all sorts of bad stuff.
If I had the capability to make something invisible, I'm getting something long like a pair of needle-nose pliers and pulling people's hair.
How?
Pink.
No, but having the ability to control the weather, like Storm from X-Men, that would be freaking cool.
Yeah.
When you want it to rain, you can just make it rain.
This is so cool, this canyon.
Yeah, it's very pretty. It's beautiful. Is this part of the Salt River Canyon?
Not on this side.
Not on this side?
You know, it's crazy. You go down that one, the other highway, the secondary one that goes to the Salt River Canyon rest stop.
Yeah.
That is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
But that's they call that the mini Grand Canyon.
Yep. There's a reason they call it the mini Grand Canyon.
Yeah. We should take our people on that sometime.
We should. We haven't been down that road in quite a while.
Very long time. But this is where we came and that guy was towing that trailer. Pay attention to the road.
I am paying attention to the road. I am not paying attention to you at all. Because this is a very skinny road.
Yeah, and there's parts on this side, on this outside.
Yeah, I saw that.
That are washed away.
I saw that.
Okay.
This road freaks me out a little bit, so.
Yeah.
So don't take it personally. I'm just going to.
This canyon. I don't know if you can see this over to the side or not. But
Nope.
tell Tell me when we stop some phone footage.
No way.
I'll turn this way on.
Over there. Yeah, this is a turnaround.
Oh, great. So this is considered your scenic vista right here. And it does look like that still. Is that a view of the lake, or is that a view of the lake? Turn around or go just straight?
I'll turn around and do what we're gonna do.
We'll head back down. Is that a view of the lake, or is that a view of the lake?
I'm sitting right here with Finnick. Aaron has gone down the cliff side over there so he could go take a shot standing next to a tree. So more power to him. I hope he's safe in it, but this here is the view I'm looking at.
Hi everybody! We made it to the tree, or at least I did. Gez is still up there on top of the hill sitting with the dog. And because I didn't turn the camera around, I have no idea if you're seeing me, if I'm filming above my head. Let me see if I can. There we go. Yay! I need a longer stick. There we go. You see the cliff behind me and the tree. And there's the fall.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification button so you can be the first one to see it when it posts.